Hello, everyone.
Welcome back to our channel.
Today we're going to practice a very common English question.
That's right.
The question is, tell me about yourself. This question is very common.
You can hear it in school,
At work,
during job interviews.
or when meeting new people.
Let's practice together.
Mark, tell me about yourself.
Sure. My name is Mark. I am 28 years old. I live in Chicago. I work in an office. I enjoy my job.
Nice. What do you do in your free time?
I like reading books. I also enjoy listening to music.
That's great.
What about you?
My name is Sarah. I am 26 years old. I live in New York. I work as a teacher.
That's interesting.
Thank you. I love teaching. I also like traveling and watching movies.
Very nice.
Before we continue,
Please don't forget to support the channel,
like this video
subscribe to the channel,
and leave a comment below.
tell us where you're from.
And what English topics you want to learn next.
Comments help us create better videos.
Mark, what is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is photography.
Really?
Yes, I enjoy taking pictures of nature.
That sounds relaxing.
It is.
My favorite hobby is reading.
What kind of books do you like?
I like mystery books.
Interesting.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I do. I play basketball on weekends.
That's fun.
What about you?
I like walking in the park.
That's healthy.
Yes, it helps me relax.
Sarah, tell me more about your family.
Sure, I have a small family.
Really?
Yes, I have one sister.
Do you spend time together?
Yes, we talk almost every day.
That's nice.
What about your family?
I have one brother.
Older or younger?
Younger.
Do you get along well?
Yes. We are very close.
That's great.
My parents live in another city.
Do you visit them often?
Yes. I usually visit them once a month.
I'm sure they enjoy that.
They do.
Family is important.
Very important.
Let's practice. Mark, tell me about your family.
I have a small family. I have one brother. My parents live in another city. We spend time together often.
Excellent. Very simple English.
Very natural English.
Let's continue.
What is your favorite food?
That's easy. Pizza.
Good choice.
What about you?
I love pasta.
Italian food is delicious.
Definitely.
Do you cook?
Sometimes.
Are you a good cook?
Not really.
Ha ha ha.
I can make simple meals.
That's enough.
What about you?
I enjoy cooking.
What's your favorite thing to cook?
Pasta.
We both like pasta.
That's true.
Another quick reminder.
Don't forget to like the video,
Subscribe for more English conversations.
and write a comment below.
What topic should we do next?
Restaurant English,
Travel English?
job interview English,
Daily conversations?
let us know in the comments.
Mark, what is your dream?
My dream is to travel more.
Which country would you like to visit?
Japan?
Great choice.
What about you?
I would like to visit Italy.
Why Italy?
The food and the beautiful cities.
Sounds amazing.
Maybe one day.
Hopefully.
Dreams are important.
Yes, they give us motivation.
I agree. Thank you for practicing English with us today.
We hope you learned something new.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.